loves, in today's video I'm creating this quick and easy last minute green glitter and skull Halloween nail design. To save time, I prepped and applied my nails off camera. These are the XXL full cover coffin nails from the Attitude shop on Etsy, and I applied them using the Ivtor adhesive tabs from Amazon. I am applying the Your Sugar 666 black gel polish. I love this polish. It only takes 2 coats to get super opaque, and I am curing each coat for 30 seconds. I am applying the Modelones No Wipe top coat and curing for 30 seconds. Excluding the nail on my ring finger, I will be doing a glitter fade. So I'm starting off by applying my Modelones base coat and slowly sprinkling the dark green glitter from the Go Create Rainbow Glitter Pack. I am then going to cure each nail for 30 seconds. I am now encapsulating my glitter with the base coat and curing for 30 seconds. To ensure that the surface of my nails is nice and smooth, I'm going to apply a layer of top coat. Moving on to my ring finger, I will be applying the skull decals from Amazon. I am encapsulating my decals with a layer of top coat. I will be applying rhinestones to the eye sockets of the skulls, and to do that, I'm first going to apply my Gadget's Entrepot LED rhinestone glue. To make sure that the rhinestones are fully secured, I'm going over that glue with a layer of top coat. I am using the dark green rhinestones that came in one of those 12-pack trays that I purchased from the beauty supply store for $1. Now that my nails are done, I am moisturizing my cuticles with the NCLA Pumpkin Spice Scented Cuticle Oil. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment below telling me what you think of my last-minute Halloween nail design. All of the products that I used will be listed in the description. Happy Halloween, and until next time, bye loves!